you're going to find all the sound effects for Ollie. But we need a dangerous profession, or a dangerous job, or a dangerous situation that we could be in, which hopefully have loads of sound effects. Anything from the audience.
Submarine wrestler.
A submarine wrestler. A submarine.
Definitely the coolest occupation.
Submarine wrestler. Anything else?
Bank heist.
A bank. Oh, a bank heist. We haven't had a bank heist. Great suggestion. Yours was great. A bank heist. So all the sound effects you're going to try for Ollie, and you're going to try for mine. And we're going to do a bank heist.
For instance, if I were to open a door.
And if I was going to pick up a cat, it might sound like this.
Alright, so
Bank heist. Bank heist.
I put a brick in my hat just to weigh it down. Just in case it blows away. I put 2 in there. Okay.
We need a hat, boss, yeah?
Yeah, well, I'd like a balaclava. Didn't you get
A balaclava? I didn't bring my balaclava. I've got my balaclava. It's silent. Like all clothes are.
You know they need eye holes, right? It's an electric one!
Okay.
Did you bring the tools?
Yeah, I did.
Excellent.
Oh, I brought my sledgehammer, and I'm going to back down that.
Sledgehammer?
Yeah?
That's not what I said to bring.
What are you going to bring?
How are we meant to get through this wall with a sledgehammer?
Well, we bash it down.
Alright, show me how it's done then.
Like this. Alright, it's a really heavy wall.
Yeah,
heavy
it's
wall,
a pretty
thick
thick wall. I told you to bring the dynamite.
Alright.
Did you bring it?
Yeah?
Get it out then.
Hold on a second. There we go.
Okay, stand back, it's very loud. I will ignite it. It will do the 5-second fuse, then it will explode.
Okay. Alright.
Just get my lighter, check it works.
Well, that was pathetic.
Well, you got the wrong one, didn't you?
Ah.
You got the wrong one, look at that. That's like one of those French little party popper things.
Alright. Okay, let's just drill through it.
Okay.
I'll give him a drill.
Alright, I actually brought one
We didn't watch.
in.
Definitely has some laughter.
Is this a code red? Is this a code red or are we okay?
No, we're fine. Let's get through it.
Alright. I'll tell you what, why don't we play some music in the background so they don't hear drilling, they just hear regular opera music.
Yeah.
Bad signal down here.
I'll start drilling.
I didn't turn it off. Alright. Sorry. Why have you got a manual one? I told you to get the automatic.
I'm so...
You're an idiot. Look, I'm pushing our percentages now. Okay, I'm going to get 60%, you're going to get 40. This is stupid. Right, this is what I asked you to get. One of these bad boys. Pull the choke. Check this.
Choke?
Yeah, pull the choke thing.
Alright.
Pull it. Pull it again.
It's broom.
Alright, look, I'll show you how to pull it, alright? And then this chainsaw goes off. It's an industrial chainsaw, cuts through metal, cuts through walls. You ready?
Oh, just super strong. You pulled the thing out, didn't you?